Hey guys, I'm in a hardware store that I've filmed before. However, oh, those are cool. Those cool old troffers. But they have replaced all of their fans with gold lines. And they got them on high, and it's actually quite breezy in here. It's really an effective install. I don't know if they're going to run them on high year round, but I would. It's nice to have moving air. It's much better than the previous install. And yeah, so you can go and find that video from when I was here, back when I was working for the museum, when I filmed the old fans, but came down here to film the replacements. And yeah, people here have been nice. They appreciate the new fans. And I appreciate a good hardware store. There's two back here as well. One there, one for the loading dock. So, okay, I gotta keep moving, but I wanted to show you guys that's 11 new gold lines. Thanks for watching.